Hey guys, how's it going? Friday. Happy Friday to you. Although maybe I didn't post this on a Friday. You're probably asking, Connor, what are those on your face? Well, these are blue light blocker glasses. They're absolutely awesome, and I felt the need to show them off today because I love them and they're comfortable and they really help when you're like staring at a screen all day long. But I wanted to pop in here really quick and just share with you guys. I do a lot of consulting and talking with people that are trying to use LinkedIn heavily to grow their business, or maybe are just kind of getting the feelers out there as to how to use LinkedIn. Let me share with you, these are 3 key reasons why you're losing when it comes to LinkedIn, okay? Number 1, you're not connecting with people you don't know. So think about it this way. When you go to a trade show, when you go to a networking event, guys, are you shying away? Are you not talking to people you don't know? Are you not going out, shaking hands and exchanging business cards with people you don't know? Well, it's the same thing on LinkedIn. Stop limiting yourself to people that you've only done business with or people that you only know. Those are the only folks you connect with. You're literally limiting your success, and it's selfish. You have something that you're able to help people out with, and you're not going to share that with them by connecting with them because you don't know them. So take a mind shift here. Think of LinkedIn and social media more as simply going out and networking and going to a networking event. Again, you don't go to a networking event and don't talk to people that you don't know. Number 2, I have it written down here actually. You're not engaging, okay? You're just creeping. You're using LinkedIn, you're using social media, and you're just creeping on people. So instead, go in, give comments, give feedback, view profiles, share people's content, okay? Give me a comment on my video so that other people can see it. Social media is exponential, so when you're going out and you're engaging with people, you're getting more reach and visibility outside of your immediate network. And number 3, guys, you're not producing content. You're not producing original content, actually. So you're maybe sharing blog posts, or you're sharing articles, or you're sharing videos of outside sources. Do more stuff like this so people can see your personality, they know who you are, they get comfortable and familiar with you, and you will start to win when it comes to LinkedIn. So again, start connecting with people you don't know, start engaging, and start producing content. Thanks for checking in, tuning in. Give this a share, please. I'd really, really appreciate it. And if there's anything I can do to help you, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.